Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a really nice and very easy ear warmer with a zigzag puff stitch. For this project I use a Caramellina yarn by Lane Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below. And you need 5 mm or H hook. Start with the chain 13. In the second chain from hook 1 and 2, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet into each chain. Now for second row, chain 3, and this is the first double crochet, so chain 3 and turn the work, skip the next stitch, so skip this, and in the third stitch 1 double crochet. And now we insert the hook in the previous stitch here and we make a puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook again, yarn over again for 5 times, and now yarn over and pull up through all loops and chain 1, and this is the first puff stitch. So skip the next and 1 double crochet here. And now again we insert the hook in the previous stitch here and make another puff stitch. So insert your hook, take the yarn, yarn over 5 times, and now pull up through all loops and chain 1. Repeat again, skip the next 1 double crochet. Now insert your hook in the previous stitch, we make a puff stitch with yarn over 5 times and pull up through loops and chain 1. And 1 single crochet into the last stitch. From here now is very simple. So chain 3 and turn your work, and 1 double crochet into 1 double crochet to the previous row. So 1 double crochet into 1 double crochet for the previous row. And now in this hole we make a puff stitch. Puff stitch, yarn over 5 times, and chain 1. So now it's very simple, because you make 1 double crochet into the double crochet of the previous row, in the hole here you make a puff stitch. One double crochet into the third chain to finish this row. And now look, we begin to see the zigzag puff stitch. Repeat again one more time together. So chain 3, this is the first double crochet. 1 double crochet into the double crochet of the previous row here, and 1 puff stitch into the hole. Puff stitch with the yarn over 5 times and pull up through all loops and chain 1. Now again 1 double crochet into double crochet of the previous row, and here in the hole another puff stitch. One double crochet into the third chain to close your row. And now I will go on in this way until 30 rows. I finished my 30 rows. Look, this beautiful zigzag puff stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and one single crochet in each stitch. Don't work into the chain, so skip the chain. Do not work into the chain but in the stitch. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. Now chain 1 and turn the work, and 1 single crochet all around. Now I cut the yarn at this point because I want to change color and use the last color of this beautiful yarn. So insert the new color and make a knot. Now chain 1 and turn to the long side your work, and 1 single crochet all around. Very important, 2 single crochet in each corner. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to finish this row. And now to complete this project, a border with the crab stitch, so chain 1 and 1 single crochet back, like this. To close this row, I turn my work and I make a slip stitch into the first crab stitch. And now cut and hide the yarn. And now we are ready to sew the 2 ends together like this. And now your headband, your ear warmer is complete. This ear warmer is perfect for if you ever want to go out and it's too much windy, or if it's just cold outside. So I hope you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!